Hi everybody, good morning. My name is Mrs. Lil and we're going to have marketing honors class together. Just wanted to send you a short video and let you know how excited I am to meet you next week and give you a little bit of an idea of what we're going to be working on this year. So as I said, my name is Mrs. Lil and I've been a teacher at East for a number of years. In our regular school setting, I run the school store and I also am the DECA advisor at East, which is something that you'll have an opportunity to get involved with if you would like to do that, but it's not something that you have to do. In our class this year, we cover several different marketing topics: marketing mix, product planning, branding, promotion, advertising, social media, just to name a few. We also have a lot of interactive projects. I strongly believe in project-based learning, and although you're going to start out the school year at home, don't be worried. I'm going to ask you to probably go around your house and gather up some random things just to kind of get you moving around and doing some similar activities that we normally would do in our classroom setting. As we get ready to begin the year for you and then also for your family, I use Schoology exclusively. So I'll use Schoology to communicate with you through the message service, and also all of our items will be posted on the calendar. Every assignment, every project will be in Schoology, so you'll be able to find everything there. If you would like to reach out to me with any questions, email is the easiest way. You can email me at clill, so C-L-I-L-L, at wcasd.net. You're also going to see, when this comes in the email, an image that is going to have my contact information in there as well. I hope you've had a good summer. I'm looking forward to seeing you online next week, and I really hope before too long we can actually be back in person. Take care and have a fantastic weekend.